Python installation, we already discussed it. Python is open source software. Anybody can download and use it with the free of cost. Next, Python is cross-platform. It supports Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac, Solaris, etc. operating environments. Suppose mine is Windows 10, 64-bit operating system. I need to install Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 10 7 all are same. 64-bit Windows compatible software. Compatible. Here observe the steps. Observe the steps. Simple steps. First, download. First, download Python software. Python software. Here, your OS, compatible. Your OS compatible software from what is the official website of Python language?
Python.org.
Python.org. Python official website. This is one step. Next, second step, install. Say executable installer is there. Installer, you can easily install. Install Python software. Install Python software and set path. Observe Durga. Earlier in Java installation, just a minute.
Environment variable.
Environment variable. Compatible. In Java installation, we set the environment variable path. Here, auto set means while installation, you can check the path, then it will automatically set the path. Okay, set path while installation. Easy now.
Yes, sir.
Next, after installation, you can get Python IDLE. What is IDLE? Integrated development and learning environment. IDE, integrated development environment. Eclipse IDE, integrated development environment. This is IDLE, integrated development and learning environment. Okay, you can get launch. Here observe one major difference between Java and Java configuration and Python configuration, Sandhya. Suppose if you install Java, you need to install Eclipse IDE like IDE. Why no built-in editor with Java software? Here, built-in IDLE available with Python software, Durga. Getting?
Like IDE, we have editor will be there.
Editor is there in this IDLE. Editor is there. Built-in editor is there with Python installation. But with Java installation, you can't get a built-in editor. For editor, you need to depend on Eclipse IDE or any other NetBeans like IDEs. But here, built-in IDLE is there with Python installation. Getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write and we execute programs. Write and execute programs. Okay. Here one small note. Say, for learning purpose, for lightweight programming, you can use Python ideally. But for real-time Durga, install PyCharm. It is also open source. PyCharm, especially designed for Python. For real time means if you want to integrate Python with other software, for that commercial IDE required. For real time, install PyCharm IDE. You can integrate other software with the Python programming as like Eclipse IDE. And one more thing, Durga, Eclipse IDE also. See, Eclipse IDE actually it was exclusively developed for Java programming. But if you want to use Python programming using Eclipse IDE, you can use. You need to install PyDev plugin. See, after Eclipse IDE installation, install PyDev plugin. Then in our Eclipse IDE, you can write and execute Python programs. If it is PyCharm IDE, it is specialized IDE for Python programming. You no need to install any plugin. Suppose yours is learning purpose. For that, you can use built-in IDE. These are the concepts. Any queries? Raise queries, Sandhya?
No, sir.
What about you, Jadid?
So
Guide me,
if you can
Jadid.
use-
No, sir. I don't have it.
Download.
So the purpose of Python IDE and also Eclipse IDE with PyDev plugin are both are same, sir.
No. Eclipse IDE, it is specialized IDE, na. Okay, with the PyDev plugin, you can use it commercial purpose, na.
And what I'm saying, purpose is same. Like we need to create the scripts or what?
Programming same, syntax same.
Hmm.
Whether it is PyCharm IDE or Eclipse IDE or Python IDE, program same. But thing is, if you use commercial IDE like PyCharm IDE, if you use PyCharm or Eclipse IDE, you can integrate Python with other software.
Yes, sir. What I'm okay. My doubt is if we include Eclipse IDE with PyDev plugin and we configure TestNG framework, then also we can.
No. Just a minute. Don't confuse. Python doesn't support TestNG.
Okay.
That we will discuss in testing framework chapter. Python
So, sir,
doesn't
as for
support-
now,
Say, just a minute. Observe. I need to clarify Durga's word. Durga, testing framework selection depends on programming platform. Suppose if you select
sir.
Java for Selenium, then supported frameworks are either JUnit or TestNG. Suppose if you select C#, then supported framework is NUnit. Suppose if you select Python for Selenium, then supported frameworks are PyUnit or PyTest. So TestNG doesn't support Python.
Okay.
TestNG was developed for unit testing of Java applications. Now tell me, Durga, any other?
No, sir, I got it.
You continue, Jadid. You are trying to ask something.
yes, sir. So as for now, we'll just use Python ideally, right? For
Yes.
writing and executing program, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just
And Python
for understanding topics, learning point of view, IDLE is enough. For commercial use, means real-time usage, you can go for PyCharm ID.
PyCharm ID. Okay, I understand, sir.
Okay. Next steps, you know, na? Guide me, Jadid. Guide me. See, go to Python official website.
Python.org.
Python.org. Here, downloads are there. Windows, Mac, other platforms. Ours is Windows.
Windows.
Here, latest Python 3 release, Python 3.97. It is latest. Okay, Python 2 series, Python 3 series. Here, two different series are there, having different syntaxes and different keywords. This is old one. For maintenance applications, they are providing updates for Python 2 series also, Durga, but latest series is Python 3. For example, in Python 2, every Python step or Python statement should end with semicolon. But in Python 3, no such formality. You can write plain statements. Difference is there in between Python 2 series and Python, main version is Python 2, Python 3. Here 3.97 is subversion. 2.7.18 is subversion. See, in between Python 2 and Python 3, several differences are there. Syntax difference, keyword difference, etc. But why they are still supporting that Python 2 for maintenance applications? You no need to focus on Python 2, Python 3, latest one. Python in this 3 series, Python 3.9.7. Click this one.
As for now, the Python 3.9.7 is the stable version.
Yes, stable version only. Here no beta versions.
Okay.
Here observe Mac, Windows embedded package, Windows help.
Windows installer 64-bit.
64-bit.
At the end. Yes.
Yes, installer. It supports installer. Then it downloads auto installation. Observe left side bottom. What is happening?
Downloading. Yeah, it's downloading the exe file.
Open after download. Open. Just a minute. Run. Observe install now. Bottom one checkbox is there. Observe Sandhya. Bottom one checkbox is there. Add Python 3.9 to path. If you check this option, it will set environment variable path automatically with in operating system. Getting?
Okay.
Add path. Install now. Yes. See, installing. Core interpreter 64-bit installing. Very simple installation, open source, and you can easily uninstall also. Observe Durga. After installation, you can get Python IDLE. Close this wizard, installation wizard. Start menu. Here observe Durga. After installation, we got IDLE of Python na?
Yes, sir.
Built-in editor. Launch that one. Okay. Suppose just print is Python keyword. It is built-in function. Suppose hello Python. No semicolon at end of the program. See, Python 2 supports semicolon, but in Python 3, plain statements. Enter. It will provide output immediately in this editor only. Jaded. This is interactive programming. Providing immediately na?
Sir.
Yes,
Providing immediately. Suppose if you write if 100 greater than 90. Enter. See, that line is not completed now. That's why it is waiting. It is code block now.
Sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
print hello Python is single step, independent step. But if is code block, that's why it is waiting. Suppose print first number. First number is big number. It is waiting now.
Sir.
Suppose else oh, just a minute. Oh, it is I enter double click. Then if I enter, what will happen? It is code block. Okay, simple if. What will happen? Providing result now.
Yes, sir.
First number is big number. 100 is big number than 90. This is ideally. Okay. Exit is there. You can exit this one. How to launch? See, start Python ideally. Python ideally.